What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to add the social media tools in Slack. So guys, note that this is my iOS version, so I'm going to teach you guys how to add the social media tools in Slack in iOS system. So what you're going to do is just go to your Slack, then you'll be having your home screen like this. Then go to your workspace profile on the top, and then go to preferences over here. Then over here you'll be having the option which says apps and integrations. Just go to that option, then you will be redirected to Slack app history. So over here just search for the social media tool that you want. So let me type Google Drive, and then you'll be having the option over here. So just go to it and just go down, and over here you'll be having option which says save integrations. Just save it and your settings has been saved. So just done it, and then go to your profile, and then that's pretty much guys. That's how you add social media tools in Slack. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.